everyone. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Supernova Infinite by Nutrabolics. So this is an explosive pre-workout. I got the strawberry lemonade flavor and it's sweetened by stevia, so that's pretty cool. For one pouch, which is 14.6 grams, we're getting 6 grams of L-citrulline malate, which is pretty much the going dose for this product, for this supplement. Citrulline malate helps with the muscle pumps while you're in the gym. Overall, really great. It has a peak O2 performance blend of 2 grams, and it contains cordyceps, which is a type of mushroom. It's 1 gram. Reishi, 600 milligrams. Lion's mane, 100 milligrams. Turkey's tail, 100 milligrams. Shiitake, 100 milligrams. And Pleurotus eringi, another type of mushroom that I can't pronounce, 100 milligrams. In addition, it's got 1.5 grams of betaine, 600 milligrams of noble orchid, 500 milligrams of lion's mane. I already said that. Oh, the fruiting body, this is a different type of lion's mane. DMAE, 350 milligrams. Cacao, 4-to-1 extract, 300 milligrams. That gives you some caffeine. And here, the caffeine, 200 milligrams of caffeine, 100 milligrams of L-theanine, and 150 micrograms of huperzine A. So, got a good mental focus blend in here, and citrulline malate for the pumps. But what I like about this is it's got some things that most other pre-workouts don't have. The reishi, lion's mane, turkey's tail, shiitake, cordyceps, like all those plant-based things, I don't find come in a lot of other pre-workouts, but they do have a benefit, so that is exciting. Strawberry lemonade flavor is the #1 ingredient: calcium hydroxide, sucralose, silicone dioxide, calcium silicate, red beet powder, and stevia extract. So, get into this, let you guys know what I think of this flavor, which strawberry lemonade, it's usually pretty good. I like lemonade. Anything citrusy is usually my preference when it comes to pre-workout flavors, and this is going to be pretty good, I'm assuming. It does kind of have a certain scent to it because there's so many different plants in here, and oof, yeah, it smells natural to say the least, so that's pretty cool. And just even seeing it on in the water, it's kind of got a certain texture to it. Interesting. It smells very good though. Now I'm anticipating this to have somewhat of a taste to it, but we'll see here how it is. Woo! First sip. Yeah, it's definitely got a strong plant-like taste to it, but it does taste like strawberry lemonade. Like, that has a really good taste to this. Gives it a really good taste, but you can taste a lot of the mushrooms and stuff like that, which if you're really disgusted by that, you might not like it too much, but I don't find it that bad. It actually kind of adds to the flavor in a different way. I thought a lot of pre-workouts taste very artificial and kind of like it's not good for you. This, it tastes like it's something like greens almost. Not really like to the extent of a greens powder, but it has that kind of earthy textured taste to it, which I personally like. So give it another sip here and I'll give my review of the flavor and on this pre-workout, the Supernova Infinite. Yeah, it's got a bit of a texture. It's kind of thicker going down the throat. It's not so much like watery or anything like that, but I like this actually. It's pretty good. So in terms of flavor, I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. In terms of effective ingredients, it's getting 8.5. Like, it's got a lot of stuff in it that other pre-workouts do not have in them whatsoever, so that's a big bonus for me. And overall, I'm going to give this pre-workout an 8.5 out of 10. Supernova Infinite comes with a lot of different things in it, and a lot of things that many other pre-workouts don't have. So if you're looking to try something new, this is really great pre-workout for you because it's very different from a lot of the other ones on the market while still maintaining some caffeine and citrulline malate in it. So I give it 2 thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.